Today, we're going out to Paris Trail. This is 1.7 miles with 16 feet of elevation change, and it took me about 32 minutes. Now, this is located in Zion National Park. Keep in mind there are filming guidelines. This was shot in April of 2022 and does comply. I highly recommend that if you want to film for the purpose of sharing on a channel, social media, whatever that may be, definitely reach out to the national park. I'll put a link down below to those filming guidelines and how you can go about getting a permit. If this is your first time visiting, my name's Dan. I like making hiking trail reviews, which is where you find yourself right now, as well as extended cuts or the full footage of the trail, which I'll link down below. If you find that interesting, go ahead and give me a follow. We'll hang out. This really is a connector path between bus stops. It's between the Canyon Junction 3 to the Visitor Center 1, and it's really, really enjoyable. I highly recommend walking this. If you're at the park and you've got the mobility, definitely try to take all the connecting trails to take everything in around you. This trail is very wide and it offered amazing views the entire route. With my short visit to Zion, I wanted to see as much as possible, and I'm so glad I was able to do this. This was the final leg of my journey back to my car before heading out, and I feel like it left a great impression, being able to see the large mountain walls. As you cross the Virgin River, you can expect some breathtaking views that'll just leave your heart full and happy of nature. Now, while you're walking here, the mountains are still a bit a ways from the trail, but you still feel the size of them as you walk through the valley. This path does have bikers, so make sure you're alert and just ready to share in general. If you have the time, this is a nice and relaxing trail that is appropriate for all ages. Again, I highly recommend using some of these connecting trails to get through the park to maximize your exploration and just get to see all that it has to offer. And sometimes it'll even save you a wait of the buses. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like it, comment on your favorite part or where you want to see next, subscribe for future updates, and until next time, Adventure Fam, stay safe on the trail.